your side.
Networking.
I can clearly it is visible, clearly
Actually,
visible to me. Huh,
Disconnect and
I'm
connect.
facing some network problem. I think.
that's
जी
why.
जी.
What was Bitiya's sentence, Gudiya, yesterday?
On passive wise,
Yes.
uh, she has given. Actually, I was not in proper.
You did not attend complete.
Nee, I attended the class. Government. Nee. What was the?
भैया, you are talking about in previous sentence, yesterday's
Your
sentence.
sentence. He's
Which
talking about
you
your
made.
sentence.
Which you
ओके
made.
ओके. सो
I did
सेंटेंस
not
सरकार ने आपके अकाउंट में एलपीजी के 108 रुपये 25 पैसे क्रेडिट कर दिए हैं.
your passive voice sentence.
Tell me
माय
the
पैसे
sentence.
वॉइस माय
Tell me
पैसे
the
वॉइस
sentence which you made.
ओके ओके. योर योर अकाउंट हैज बीन क्रेडिटेड ₹108.25 for LPG subsidy by the government. The government has been. सर पैसे वाली सेंटेंस ना कि
Yes, your
एक्टिव.
passive voice which you made.
हाँ, the government has been is missing.
I am translating
Okay,
sentence.
okay, okay, okay. I am confused. $108.25.
No, you tell me what sentence you made yesterday. What was
Sir,
your
I
passive
made
voice?
passive voice. Huh? Your account has been credited ₹108.25 for LPG subsidy by the government.
KK, were you satisfied with Sarika's sentence
Sir, yesterday,
yesterday?
uh,
I so
yes, sir.
satisfied. I so
Okay.
satisfied.
Arey Raj joined but he left. Uh, Poonam was packing yesterday, packing the baggage.
But before the class, he left.
So she is going somewhere.
I think she have um,
She
She has
told
gone.
us na कि she is
yesterday
going to
only
attend the
Nancy.
marriage.
Okay.
Yesterday only she went gone. I think. I, she,
Uh, I am waiting for KK. Meanwhile, let's talk something else. I'm waiting for Raj, sir. Just have a discussion.
Can we make this sentence like that? Your account has been credited LPG subsidy of 108.25 by the government. Or
Uh,
should we put extension at the end of the sentence?
uh, I'm going to explain it after a while. Let Raj join. Meanwhile, you just talk to each other. I'm just coming.
Sir, Raj has come.
Okay. Kiki, what is your experience and about passive voice? Previous experience? Say something. Later on, Raj will
uh,
say. I'm just coming.
okay, sir. Uh, s- uh, Actually, I saw many guys who never speaks, but in passive voice, they were habitual to speak on and on that subject means whatever is going on, and everybody was gave their means 100% in it. That's all. Uh, Raj
Raj left.
is
Raj is left.
I think he is also facing some network problem.
Hmm. Means you want to say that when you have joined the passive voice class, there is a people who are means
who
part of
never
the
speaks, who never speaks, but in passive voice they also speaks.
started speaking.
They also speak. They were
They
also
also
speaking.
started speaking. So
And when means actually that was like the festival, because earlier when sir gave passive voice in batch, so sometimes 10 to 20 students were there, so everybody is trying to defeat uh, defeat the teacher, so they always try to ask many stupid kinds of question as well in the passive voice. And
means you everybody was facing the so many people at a time.
yes, and that what is like that the credited means the third form was question was very important, means in every batch I saw, because nobody uh, clarifies that is adjective or third form of the verb, means that is the most important question of the passive voice according to me.
It means it was asked so many by the so many guys. This
Yes,
one question. This one question was asked by the so many people in your class. The mahol and atmosphere and when you were in the dais, you were on the dais. So what did you do?
I confuse the people. If I don't know answer, so I confuse the students
How did you do this? How did you confuse the people?
by asking the cross questions, grammatical by asking the cross question in a grammatical manner, means in a subject, so they are tied up on that, and I lose my question if I don't know. That time I used to do that thing.
But in your time, there were the senior used to come there.
Yes, they were.
Raj, you say something about passive voice, your experience.
Sir, as per my batch, there one I would like to tell one incident. There was one bhaiya in my batch. He used to not say anything in the class. He used to not make any sentence. But when everybody gave up, so he was the one who made the sentence first. And that time I was like, "What the hell is this, bro?" Like you used to say that गड़े मुर्दे भी उखड़ जाते हैं पैसे वॉइस में. So I was I could relate to that time.
My statement is कि मुर्दे भी खड़े होके बोलने लगते हैं in
Yes,
passive.
sir.
This is my.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Raj, yes, day before yesterday when Poonam Didi was making sentence, you deliberately confused her, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Aparna has got a call. I think she's attending the call. So, and Sarika, you tell me the little will experience. Let her come meanwhile.
जी सर एक्चुअली ना आई एम एंजॉयिंग द पैसिव वॉइस सो मच in this present means my confidence has increased कि I am also able to speak English before anybody. And sometimes I am not explaining, means sometimes I don't explain like whatever I want to say, but still I am trying to convince others and to express my not feeling, to express my whatever I want to say. So
Express my
I'm
views.
trying, express my view. So I'm enjoying.
You guys can do one thing, all the present guys. If it is possible for you to put your mobile, switch on the video, and give the review, whatever you have felt during passive voice. Okay. Raj, whatever you said, if it is possible for you to make a video, it is a feedback. So you can do it. And if you do not want to give your feedback
Yes,
in video, you can write a text in WhatsApp.
yes, sir. I can give a video.
Yes, it will be very good,
Yes, sir.
effective.
Yes, sir.
It will be very effective. KK, you can also, Aparna, you can also, after completing the total process, you can give your reviews. And do you
Yes,
know
sir.
that reviews means not only uh, plus points, reviews means minus points, plus points both. It is called review. Uh, Sentence was wrong made by Sarika. So now I am explaining it from the beginning. KK, did you know that the sentence which was made yesterday was wrong? No, you don't know. Actually, Raj confused Poonam. Poonam made correct sentence, not 100% correct,
Yes.
99%. But Raj said, but Didi, I have seen blah blah blah. so she got confused.
Okay, sir.
Now I am explaining it. Uh, सरिका, अगर अपने को हिंदी की दृष्टि से देखना है तो पैसिव वॉइस का वो एक हिंदी जो आइडेंटिफिकेशन है, व्हाट इज इट?
सर पैसिव वॉइस का हिंदी आइडेंटिफिकेशन, सब्जेक्ट उसमें इनएक्टिव रहता है।
नहीं, हम वो जो पूछ रहे हैं वो जब हम हर बार वर्ब लिखते हैं हेडिंग, फिर 3 पॉइंट्स जो बताते हैं,
हाँ,
रिमेम्बर?
उसमें वर्ब का थर्ड फॉर्म आता है हमेशा पैसिव वॉइस में, जो मेन
नहीं,
वर्ब होती है उस।
ओके, लेट मी आस्क अपर्णा. अपर्णा इज कनेक्टेड और डिस्कनेक्टेड? हाँ,
I'm
शी
I'm
इज
here.
देयर.
किया जाना, the
यस,
identification of passive voice. किया जाना, to be done.
राइट. दोस्तों, जीवन में 3 तरह की घटनाएं होती हैं. एक तो कुछ हम करते हैं, करना, करता जो कर रहा है. दूसरा जो होती हैं अपने आप, प्राकृतिक, व्हाट हैपेंड, एक्सीडेंट हैपेंड, दिस हैपेंड, दैट हैपेंड. और तीसरी होती है किया जाना. तो किया जाना इज इम्पोर्टेंट वर्ड. तो यहाँ से हम शुरुआत करते हैं. Actually, why I was asking Aparna is connected or disconnected. When I pin myself, so here only four guys are visible. And that's why Aparna was not visible. Now, here all the four, Aparna is visible, Sarika is visible. I can see the logo of Raj and I can see the photo of KK. Now, Aparna's visibility, it is, I think, because of network, or Aparna switched off the camera, whatever it is. So, Sarika, this is active voice. इसमें जो भी क्रिया हुई है वो सरकार ने की है ना? चलो, लेट मी आस्क वन बाय वन, स्टार्टिंग विथ यू. Which chapter does this sentence belong, Sarika?
Sir, this sentence belongs to present perfect tense.
Ask all the question one by one.
जी. Aparna ji, what is the category of this sentence?
It is an affirmative category of this sentence.
It is an affirmative sentence.
It is an affirmative sentence. I thought I made mistake. What is the subject of this sentence, KK?
The government is the subject in that sentence.
Now
The
your go
government
to
is
ask.
okay. Okay. What is the helping verb, Raj, in that sentence?
Bhaiya has is the helping verb.
Okay. It's your go to ask.
Ma'am, Sarika ma'am, what's the third form of the verb?
Raj, credited is the third form of the main verb. Aparna ji, what is LPG subsidy rupees 10.25?
LPG subsidy rupees 1025 is the object in this sentence. KK, what is to here?
The to is the proposition over there. Raj, what is your account in that sentence?
Bhaiya, extension. Your account is the extension in this sentence. check.
You have to ask.
Now, do not ask, just wait.
Sorry, sir.
No problem. Guys, there are two objects in this sentence. One is non-living object. This is also non-living object. So we can number it. No, number one object, number two object, like this. इसके बारे में हम कुछ और अच्छा सीखेंगे पैसिव वॉइस के अगले किसी चरण में. Now let me ask again to Sarika. Sarika, what is that Hindi identification of passive voice?
Sir, the Hindi identification of passive voice is किया जाना.
तो सरिका, जब हम पैसिव वॉइस का वाक्य बनाएंगे तो क्या किया जाएगा इसमें?
सर, LPG सब्सिडी ₹108.2.5 को क्रेडिट किया जा रहा है, किया जाएगा.
सरकार के द्वारा वो पैसे आपके अकाउंट में डाले जाएंगे, आकलित किए जाएंगे. So I'm going according to the rule. Raj, what is the first rule of passive voice?
Sir, firstly we will change the object into subject.
So KK, can you tell me which object should we take first?
Sir, we should take second object first.
Okay. Sarika, can you tell me which object should we take first?
Sir, I go with KK Bhaiya. I think we should take second one object.
Okay. Raj, which object should we take first?
Sir, we should take second object.
Okay. Aparna is now disconnected. I think she has got a call or something happened. Firstly, she shut down the camera and then she is disconnected. हम फिर से सरिका से ही पूछते हैं. सरिका, पैसिव वॉइस में क्या किया जाएगा?
सर, पैसे जमा किए जा रहे हैं.
हाँ, पैसिव वॉइस में पैसे जमा किए जाए. सबसे पहले हम वही ले लेते हैं. Firstly, we change the object into the subject.
सर, आई हैव अ डाउट. हम पैसे जमा करें तो पैसे पे क्या असर पड़ेगा? पैसे तो चाहे इस अकाउंट में हो चाहे उस अकाउंट में है, पैसे पे क्या असर पड़ रहा है?
हाँ, yesterday I was watching it. You have comprehended that rule कि कर्ता उसे कहते हैं जिस पर क्रिया का असर पड़ता है. लेकिन वो एक्टिव वॉइस में होता है ऐसा. एक्टिव वॉइस में होता है, इसलिए हम तुमसे बार बार पूछ रहे थे कि जब हम पैसिव वॉइस में जाएंगे तो क्या किया जाएगा. फिर से आंसर दो इसका.
सर, अब पैसिव वॉइस में है तो फिर हम LPG सब्सिडी ऑफ ₹108.25 को ही एज अ ऑब्जेक्ट लेंगे. स्टिल मुझे नहीं आया समझ में. फिर ऐसे में तो बड़ा कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे.
No problem. Raj, what is the second rule of passive voice?
Later on we will we will take the helping verb accordingly if it is present.
KK, what is the helping verb in upper one sentence?
Bhaiya, you are mute.
Sir, has is the helping verb in upper one sentence.
Should we change the helping verb or should we take it as it is?
Sir, we should take as it is.
Can we
We
not
should take
take
helping verb.
can we not take have here?
No, sir, we cannot take have over there because the LPG subsidy is a singular kind of subject.
Thank you.
Kinda subject.
Aparna, what is the third rule of passive voice?
The third rule of passive voice. Now we remember the god of passive voice, that is be.
That is B. अब यहाँ वो सवाल निराधार हो जाता है दोस्तों. The question does not matter here कि when B comes in present, when B comes in past, when B comes in future, what are the forms? Here another rule which is not mentioned in the sequence of passive voice, but it is mentioned so many times during your active session. Sarika, can you tell me what are the 5 things जिनके बाद V3 का चोरी दामन का साथ हो?
Sir, has, have, had, be, and get. There are 5 verbs. So we can we put third form of the verb as an adjective after this, after these verbs.
Here also has is followed by credited third form. So third form is must here, right? So the Raj, what is the third form of be?
Sir, been is the third form of be.
Aparna, what is the fourth rule of passive voice?
The fourth rule of passive voice is thereafter we change main verb into the V3.
Okay. Raj, what is the main verb in upper one sentence?
Sir, credit is the main verb in the upper sentence.
KK, what is the third form of credit?
Sir, credited is the third form of credit.
Sarika, read this sentence for me.
LPG subsidy of rupees 108.25 has been credited.
तो क्या किया जा रहा है यहाँ?
सर, ये जो सब्सिडी के पैसे हैं ये क्रेडिट किए जा रहे हैं.
राइट?
जी.
किया जाना भी बताया जा रहा है इसमें अकॉर्डिंग टू हिंदी, और ये सब्जेक्ट होने के बावजूद एक्टिव नहीं है, पैसिव है, ये कुछ कर नहीं रहा बल्कि ये डाले जा रहे हैं, आकलित किए जा रहे हैं. अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है टू राज. राज, ये पैसे कहाँ डाले जा रहे हैं?
Sir, in your account.
अब उसको
Poonam has come, sir.
Yes, I know.
Acha, you admitted.
Sarika, read it and tell me, is it satisfactory sequence or not?
LPG subsidy rupees 108.25 has been credited to your account.
Aparna, you read
Yes,
it.
sir.
Yes, sir. LPG subsidy rupees 108.25 has been credited to your account.
Raj.
LPG subsidy rupees 108.25 has been credited to your account. Sir, it's
KK.
right.
Sir, LPG subsidy rupees 108.25 has been credited to your account.
Poonam.
LPG subsidy uh, LPG subsidy rupees 108.25 has been credited to your account.
अब उसको भी बिना नियम के मैंने रख दिया टू योर अकाउंट, इसका कोई प्रेसिवाइज में नियम नहीं, लेकिन देयर इज ए लास्ट रूल, और लास्टली उसमें लास्टली भी लगा है. सारिका, व्हाट इज द लास्ट रूल ऑफ प्रेसिवाइज?
Sir, lastly, we change the subject into the object with the help of by.
So we are doing it lastly. Now you can ask so many questions if you are not satisfied. I said before Poonam's coming that Poonam's sentence was 90% correct. The sequence was wrong. And Sarika, I asked, I think you heard or not, I asked Raj कि राज तुमने जो पूनम दीदी को कंफ्यूज करने के लिए सेंटेंस बता दिया था उनको, वो वास्तव में कहीं देखा सुना था? तो राज said no sir, I just wanted to confuse Poonam didi, that's why I said that sentence. Now just read this sentence and see the sequence is correct or not. Sarika, you start.
LPG subsidy of rupees 108.25 has been credited by your account by the government. To your account by
And
the
please
government.
come again.
LPG subsidy rupees 108.25 has been credited to your account by the government.
Everybody has to read one.
LPG subsidy rupees 108.25 has been credited to your account by the bank.
LPG subsidy rupees 108.25 has been credited to your account by the government.
LPG subsidy rupees 108.25 has been credited to your account by the government.
LPG subsidy 108.25 has been credited to your account by the government.
And nowadays subsidy is not coming. Or if anybody is having any previous message not deleted in the phone, can go and see. I'm putting this part in the bracket. So you will find this sentence over there. And I want to tell you one more interesting thing, guys. Anytime you go to ATM, you will find over there a real sentence of without buy. Your request is being processed. Your request is being processed. On the screen, you will find this kind of sentence for some seconds. Later on, the notes will come out. A couple of days ago, I think I said you कि one day I will say bye bye to buy. एक दिन मैं आपके बाय बाय की खुजली को, दाद खाज खुजली को बाय बाय कर दूंगा. Actually, I have taken it from one advertisement of बीटेक मलहम. बीटेक मलहम, दाद खाज खुजली को बाय बाय. सो वो ब्रैकेट वाला शब्द नहीं रखो तो आप पाएंगे दिस क्या, सारी का क्या किया जा रहा है. तो ये चीज डाली जा रही है, क्रेडिट की जा रही है. कहाँ? आपके अकाउंट पे ये कार्य किया जा रहा है. और रियल लाइफ में ऐसे ही सेंटेंस चलते हैं. इसको बिना लगाए आप देखें तो सेंटेंस आपको सीक्वेंस विल बी लुकिंग गुड टू यू. But still, it does not mean that the boss is always right. Your questions make me strong. If you want to ask me any question, you can shoot, you can ask.
Sir, I have a doubt. When two objects in one sentence, so how can we recognize which object should we take?
Yes. Uh, I think you did not listen. Some minutes ago, I made one statement. किसी ने सुना था ध्यान से? Did anybody?
Yes, sir.
What?
Sir, the subsidy is being credited.
नहीं, मैंने हिंदी में बोला था डबल
सर
ऑब्जेक्ट को लेकर कुछ.
सर जो सब्सिडी है वो अपने अकाउंट में जा रही है तो उस पर कार्य हो रहा है.
नहीं, एक सेंटेंस में जब एक सेंटेंस में दो ऑब्जेक्ट आते हैं तो उसमें से देखना होता है कि जो ऑब्जेक्ट काम, ऐसा कुछ बताया था कि
नहीं, मैंने
वो
कुछ बताया नहीं उसके बारे में. मैंने केवल इतना बोला था कि
सर किया जाना
अगले चरण में डबल ऑब्जेक्ट के सेंटेंस आने वाले हैं. पैसिव वॉइस इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 7 पार्ट्स. ये तो अभी अंगड़ाई है.
आगे और लड़ाई है.
तो सर
वंशी,
कैसे पहचानेंगे हम?
हाँ, इसका उत्तर जानने के लिए देखते रहिए, क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी. वो सेंटेंस आएंगे. मेरे करण अर्जुन आएंगे, जरूर आएंगे. तो जब वो
बट
सेंटेंस आएगा तो तुम्हें उत्तर स्वतः मिल जाएगा.
but it was very difficult sentence for me yesterday when I was clearing this. I was making this sentence, but you have made us very easy and cleared it very easily. All the things. It was amazing. And Sarika was also trying to clear this, and she was also trying to make this sentence. And she remembered the things when KK asked her about the adjective or third form of the verb, and he past simple and past present. So she cleared very impressive way that
She
ki what is
clarified. She clarified. Say,
she clarified. Yes, she clarified that ki you have told na once with somebody else, I think, and during the class. So she clarified this thing and she remembered this thing very well that he sir has told us once in a while in class. So she, as it is, has taken a word sentence. So I'm impressed.
she quoted the same thing.
Yeah. But now I can understand ki what object should I take, means if LPG subsidy is crediting in my account, so I can understand LPG subsidy is the object which is जिसमें हमारे पैसे जो सब्सिडी है जो हमारे अकाउंट में जा रहे हैं। तो
Thank you
क्या
for
आप
appreciating Aparna, but still, I am saying just keep patience and wait. Do not rush to uh, make
but
any.
whenever you explain, I can understand well. I don't know why.
I know, but I'm telling you, I have not really given the answer, and I am not giving the answer of Sarika right now. But I'm assuring you one thing that you will get that answer very soon.
Sir, that means we should not follow the active voice rule where we recognize the object, what is the object, and passive voice is different to recognize object.
No, do not take this conclusion. This is not a conclusion. Actually, half a very less portion of passive voice is done so far. Let me make it clear. And what happens in our teaching system? Some easy questions are explained to the students, but question paper is set by higher level of people, and students get confused and stressed when a different kind of question comes. So they say, oh, ghuma diya, oh, it was a tough question, oh, it was out of syllabus, blah blah blah. All these things happen in our education system. But I repeat my statement, we have just started passive voice. There are 7 phases. So we have just seen the first phase is still incomplete. First phase is still incomplete. There are some more tenses you have to do it, you have to perform. Later on, second phase will come, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. And still, I want to disclose one more thing to you clearly. Generally, I disclose this thing to those students who join pattern batch. I when they come first day, I say them, "बच्चों, you enjoyed passive. Did you enjoy passive voice?" They say, "Yes, sir, we enjoyed passive voice very much." Then I say, "बच्चों, enjoying passive voice is a different thing, but comprehending passive voice, utilizing passive voice, and being habitual of passive voice, being habitual of using passive voice is different thing, and it really comes in pattern batch." Because during passive voice you get theoretical knowledge and you get very happy. You become very happy. You remain very happy. Wow, what a process made by sir. Wow, wow, blah, blah, blah. But real passive voice comes on your tongue during pattern batch. That's why the fees of pattern batch is double. It is 1 month batch, more than 1 month, sometimes 1 month, 10 days, 15 days. Does not matter, but fees is only one. Whether it goes for 1.5 months. And that's why there is one more prohibition that if you do not deliver 5 speeches, I will not admit you in pattern batch. but I have given some relaxations nowadays. Here, all the guys, whoever is present, is in a good condition, whether he has delivered one speech or two. But you all guys are eligible to join pattern batch, and in pattern batch, you will be happy by using passive voice. Because I want to tell you, all the maximum patterns, not all, maximum patterns are based on passive voice. Patterns means a different kind of structure. So I'm not dilly-dallying. I'm not dilly-dallying. I'm not dilly-dallying. Dilly-dallying. Okay.
Deleting. He is taking deleting. Delete.
Okay. There is a verb. You can write it down. Sarika asked the question.
Aparnadi, what should be the verb for talna?
The verb for talna is deleting. Deleting.
I have given you a difficult word. Do you remember, Sarika Poonam?
Ding.
No, before it, I have given some days ago.
Delay. Delay.
No,
No, no, no,
procrastinate.
no. You
Ha
have
ha
given.
ha. That
Oh,
is very
procrastinate.
tough.
Procrastinate. Procrastinate.
I'm little bit confused in the spelling of Delhi. So I'm leaving it to you. Google it and share it. So I'm using now procrastinate. I'm not procrastinating. मैं टाल नहीं रहा हूँ. I'm not procrastinating your questions, Sarika. But let the time come, you will get the answer how to recognize which object should we take. But I have explained you on Hindi basis that government is doing this, and let's come to the passive voice. क्या किया जा रहा है, किया जाना है इस passive voice. So it makes us sure कि भाई ये पैसे डाले जा रहे हैं हमारे अकाउंट. You are better here कि how to recognize this object and this is object. Which one should I take here? So here, whatever I have done, I will not say that I have used common sense because but saying common sense is means there is no answer, there is no base to say कि बच्चों common sense. That is not okay. There should be a rule particular. So uh, sometimes when students can't make one sentence, can't identify the subject, like you guys made one sentence, दाग ढूंढते रह जाओगे. You have made now one sentence. I think Sarika made it successfully or Aparna, I don't know. So in that sentence, subject is not visible. दाग is not subject. दाग ढूंढते रह जाओगे. But somebody of you made it correct. किससे कह अब हम बच्चों से बोलते हैं जब सब्जेक्ट पहचान में ना आए बच्चों तो सवाल करना मन में कौन कर रहा है ये तो आंसर मिलेगा कि मैं कर रहा हूँ या तुम कर रहे हो या वो कर रहे हो तो आंसर मिल जाएगा इफ सब्जेक्ट इज नॉट विजिबल इफ यू आर नॉट इन द कंडीशन टू आइडेंटिफाई सब्जेक्ट आस्क कि ये काम कौन कर रहा है तो आंसर मिल जाएगा कि ये काम वो कर रहा है फिर आप खुद से क्वेश्चन करो वो क्या कर रहा है इफ यू कांट आइडेंटिफाई verb in any sentence. Question yourself, क्या कर रहा है वो? तो अगर वर्ब आधी लिखी है, हिंदी वाक्य में वर्ब आधी आती है कई बार, you will get the answer, ये कर रहा है. So you can put verb over there. डांट रहा है, अब ऑब्जेक्ट ढूंढना है, किसको डांट रहा है? You will get the answer. उसको डांट रहा, मन्नू को डांट रहा, पप्पू को डांट रहा. So you will get the object automatically if the sentence is very big and confusing. So by one by one step, you ask a question to yourself. You will get all the answer. That's why I started with Hindi, Sarita, because you were thinking that your account should be the subject. Your account has been credited. तो उसका अर्थ ये हो जाए कि आपके अकाउंट को क्रेडिट किया गया है. Have I given you one interactive sentence? You are fired.
Yes, sir. You have
Yes.
given. You are fired.
तो किसको निकाला गया है?
हाँ, तुम्हें निकाला जाता है. Like
तुम्हें निकाला जाता है या तुम्हें निकाला गया है. तो यू जो निर्जीव सॉरी पैसिव करता है, उसके ऊपर कार्य होला निकाले जाने का. तो हमने सवाल किया, ऐसे स्थिति में आप सवाल करो कि इस वाक्य में क्या किया जा रहा है, तो उत्तर मिलेगा 108 रुपए खाते में डाले जा रहे हैं. क्या डाला जा रहा है, कहाँ डाले जा रहे हैं,
Account.
क्या डाला जा रहा है, ये डाला जा रहा है.
सब्सिडी.
इससे क्या किया जा रहा है, इसे क्रेडिट किया जा रहा है. कहाँ क्रेडिट किया जा रहा है, यहाँ किया जा रहा है. सीक्वेंस चल गया ये पूरा. और आखिरी में किस अगर रखना है किसके द्वारा किया जा रहा है, तो वो तो आसान है. वी चेंज द सब्जेक्ट इनटू द ऑब्जेक्ट विद द हेल्प ऑफ. ये तो रूल के अंतर्गत आ रहा है. कंफ्यूजन यहाँ और यहाँ पे. तो आपके अकाउंट को इफ अगर यहाँ पे सेंटेंस होता है योर अकाउंट हैज बीन सीज्ड, हम क्रेडिटेड की जगह सीज्ड रख देते हैं, तो तुम्हें थोड़ा सा संतोष मिलेगा. हाँ यार, अकाउंट पे तो कोई कार्य हो नहीं रहा है.
Sir, I have seen one sentence. Your account has been disabled. It's it's a message. I got this message.
Yes. Your account has been disabled. Correct. Thank you. Now I'm stopping myself. Still, if
Sir?
you yes.
sir, sometimes na I received the message your account has been credited so and so rupees. So उसका क्या मतलब होते हैं?
वहां पे देखना विथ लगा होगा. With so and so rupees must be.
Okay. After the class, I will check. I मतलब
Check it
कई
and
बार
take a screenshot and send it. Because after watching it, the sense will be clear.
But I have seen messages like this rupees has been credited in your account.
Okay, you also send message screenshot. We will discuss over it. After watching, we will discuss over it tomorrow.
Sir, there is one more verb for talna. Elude.
Yes.
Sir, there is one more verb for talna.
Go ahead.
Elude. ELUDE.
Lewd. Okay, thank you. Lewd. So, for today, should I give you one more sentence to play? It is 140. I'm giving you, it's up to you, you want to carry on or not. Because we have to finish now, because there are only three active guys, active participants, fresh, first time attending passive voice, Poonam, Sarika, and Aparna. Write down the next sentence. यूनिवर्सिटी रिजल्ट घोषित कर चुकी थी. It is a small sentence. यूनिवर्सिटी रिजल्ट घोषित कर चुकी थी. Whose go is this to perform? You can just start and play for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, conclude it. Or if you want to play it tomorrow, if you have some work, conclude it today. As you wish. I'm leaving the meeting.
Sir, actually, I saw both the messages. Means which is sent by bank. So, sir, they are using both the things. Means they are using past simple as well and passive voice of present simple as well.
Please read if you are watching.
Sir, dear customer, your account is credited by rupees 10,000. This is the passive voice.
Uh,
And sir, Union Bank sent me just
your
yes,
account
sir.
is credited by. Yes.
Yes, sir. And sir, Union Bank directly sent debited for rupees 15. Account number 400 debited for rupees 15. Means they are using past simple tense, sir.
No, this is also passive voice, but they are not using subject.
But sir, they are not using main verb as well.
Uh, actually, um, debited is the main verb here. निकाले
Okay, sir.
गए, right?
Rupees account number 400 debited for rupees 15.
हाँ,
Okay, sir.
debited for आया है इसमें.
Yes.
Yes, sir. I've already seen this message कि this account has been debited for rupees so and so towards ये सब और फिर एक सेकंड है account number this is credited with rupees with और for जी
So, do you want to continue?
I think, sir,
Okay.
nobody.
Sir
Yeah,
should.
Nobody
हाँ.
wants. But you have got sentence, you can play tomorrow.
Okay,
Thank you.
sir.
Okay,
Bye.
Thank
thank
you,
you,
sir.
sir. Have a nice
Have a good
weekend.
evening.
Bye bye. Should we
Bye.
conclude now? Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.
Bye.